Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding Vechain. If we're looking across the markets today, you guys can see we are seeing a little bit of red across the board, which is very much needed. We've been seeing tremendous amount of growth over the past few months, and a little bit of a cool off is very much needed before we do see continuation upwards trend. But today we are going to be talking about Vechain, so let's waste no more time and get right into that. If we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.023 cents, down 2.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 0.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $1.67 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $70 million. Before we jump into the charts and analyze the charts, I really wanted to share this very, very interesting article with you guys, so let's get right into it. So it says a new research paper from the University of Cagliari, Italy, drafted a paper highlighting Vechain's innovation blockchain-based waste management system. The research paper analyzed how Vechain's blockchain technology helps in managing waste and reducing carbon footprints. The university research paper suggests how governments can tap into Vechain's waste management system to help reduce carbon footprint. Not just a crypto project, not just an altcoin, it has a working product, very unique in terms of the tech itself and what they're trying to tackle, and this gets me excited as time goes by. Also says Vechain's toolchain platform traced the cleanup process and tracked plastic waste, including how it was being sorted and divided. The system also tracked the final delivery from the oceans to the waste bank. Insane. And just wanted to share with you guys this article that kind of gives us a better perspective that Vechain is not just an altcoin that we're purchasing on the markets. It has a real use case. It's trying to solve real world issues, and that's what gets me excited as time goes by. So now if we're looking at the price, guys, as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when we are investing in crypto. So something very interesting is happening with Vechain. You might be saying, what exactly are you talking about? And what I'm looking at right now is we're starting to see a little bit of a consolidation pattern forming for the price of Vechain. So over the past few days, we haven't really seen too much volatility within the price, because if I bring out this chart on the hourly, you guys can get a better perspective as to what is going on. So we've been trying to consolidate around this range. It has been trading sideways around this range, but as I say that, we do have quite a bit of support built up around here from the consolidation phase that we were in over the past 12 months. But now comes the question, are we in any sort of danger right now? Could we potentially see Vechain fall more towards the downside? If we're looking at the charts right now, you guys can see, like I said, we've been trading around here. Obviously, a lot of support built up around there. But if we lose, this 1.9 cents mark, then there is a danger of falling to new yearly lows. But one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is Bitcoin is looking really, really strong right now, because Bitcoin has been trading within this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. It has yet to drop below that, and that shows the strength Bitcoin has for itself. You guys can see we've been trading within this range. We did wick a few times below here, but never managed to actually close below the 61.8, which is extremely bullish in my personal opinion. I do believe there is a chance for Bitcoin to retest this zone. This is a massive level of resistance coming up at that $28,729. You cannot make it up. We've been rejected out of that zone 2 different times, so that just show how important that level really is. But overall, Bitcoin has been holding very, very strongly. If we go on BTC dominance is also increasing. So if Bitcoin breaks out of that zone, we could see BTC dominance index spiking up as well. So we could see a little bit of a more lag in the price of altcoins in terms of Bitcoin comparative, but in USD comparative, we should see altcoins moving with the overall momentum. So far so good. But as I say that, we are approaching the weekend. And on the weekends, you guys know we do tend to see manipulation across the board. So even if the price of Bitcoin were to fall below and we do see a little bit of a cool off happen, the next massive level of support would be around the $25,200 level. And even if that were to come about, I'm totally fine with that, because we do need a little bit of a cool off before we do see continuation patterns. But obviously the weekend, we don't know what could happen. We could potentially even break out of here. That would be obviously the more bullish scenario. But in terms of bullish sentiment, that is not going to go away even if we dip down to 25K and kind of cool off, which is very much needed. So that could impact the price of Vechain in the immediate short term. But you guys know the long-term perspective. Slowly but surely, we're going to start to see less and less haters talk about Vechain. When Vechain was breaking out earlier this year, there were barely any out there. But as altcoins kind of cooled off, we're starting to see these trolls start coming back. But once the things start moving up, once the market starts moving up, these trolls do get left behind. And I'm saying it, and I'll say it again, this is the target where we're getting excited. So 3.4 cents, that's where I'm going to make that update. That's going to say, yay, we have broken out, guys, this is it. So right now we still have some time to go, but this is currently the news and the overall scenario that's looking like for Vechain. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Vechain going at the end of this year. And also let me know your overall take on the outcome for the upcoming future. And this bull cycle is going to be long, as I've mentioned, so let me know your predictions on there. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.